Say hello to EVOlution21, the most advanced smart helmet from LIVALL with upgraded light signaling. Its wide-angle front light and 270-degree rear lights offer maximum visibility, letting everyone know you're there. No more confusing hand signals. Just press the button on your handlebar to clearly signal your turn. When you hit the brakes, the speed sensors detect your stop and activate your rear lights to warn traffic. You can even customize your light combinations, making yourself hard to miss on the road. Smart on, smart off. Push the button once, and EVO21 will take over from there. It will auto power up when you start your ride, and auto shut down when you're not riding. And it can automatically power on at night and dim down in daytime to save battery. Everyday rider, 10 hours of battery life will let you ride through the whole week worry-free. The EVO21 is serious about impact protection, passing rigorous safety standard tests with an A-star rating. Heavy? No way. A mere 350 grams means you won't even realize it's there. It can also detect when you fall and send your location to an emergency contact. And if everything is okay, you can cancel the message within 90 seconds. Since 2014, LIVALL has been dedicated to giving riders the protection and innovation they need. This time around, we partnered with Ruma, one of Spain's top design studios, to create the EVOlution21's out-of-box design. The EVO21 is designed to be lighter, brighter, and safer building on our 7 years of dedication to creating the perfect helmet. Ride with confidence. Ride with LIVALL.